All right. Um, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Trading Forex with Osha is P Money. I come here week in week out to give a preview, like a pre-analysis of the forex markets. That is to help position you as an upcoming trader to take advantage of the market as the market begins to play out in the coming weeks. So that is what I come here to do basically. So please and please, you I urge you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon. Subscribing to my YouTube channel is the only way you can encourage me to do more, to be dropping more content on and on. And I'm sure you will also benefit from it because this will help position you in an advantage side of things as the markets unfold. It will help prepare you so you can actually take advantage of the market as it's unfolding. So guys, please subscribe. Don't just watch, but subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so when next I drop a video, you will be notified on time to take advantage of those possible moves that the market is about, those pips the market is about to give. So you'll be positioned to take advantage for that. And uh, also hit the like button. Please hit the like button. The like button is just to help the algorithm, just to help YouTube to recommend this video to others who who also like to trade or want to learn how to trade the forex market. Please and please just do that for us. That being said, I will jump into today's analysis. What we should be expecting for this week. Right before us is Euro USD. Right before us is Euro USD. Let's just this on the higher time frame. This is the weekly time frame. Let's just take um, let's just analyze structure what the market is doing. So for the weekly time frame, you can see Euro USD has been bearish all day long. Euro USD has been bearish all day long. Like our major area of concern now is this region right about here. We see the market, it broke down to this side, make a retest up of this our zone, came down and again just formed like a double bottom right about there. But we're not just going to conclude because normal market chart pattern will tell you okay a double top we just want to look like okay, the market is about to blow all the way to the upside. But no, we're not going to look that. And it also consider this trend line that is coming all the way from this upside. You want to say okay the market has retested the trend line and is about to blow up. But let's not fail to look at this resistance zone right about here that the market is currently acting on right about here. So for that, we'll move over to a daily time frame. Let's really get a clear view of what the market is really doing. Sorry, let's move over to a daily time frame. Right in the daily time frame, okay, sorry guys. Right on the daily time frame, we see that the market has come all the way down. Same, here's the double bottom. I draw the bar here just to indicate that these are equal lows. The market has broken this trend line coming away from the up, taking here as a neckline, which has already attacked our resistance right about here. But the market is quietly behaving funny right about here. So um, for Euro USD, for us to be clear, now we're giving a two-way scenario of this market. For us to be clear that the market is willing to go either the upward direction or the downward direction of things, the market need to give us a clear view, like what is up to. I think let's dive over to a 4 hour candle. Um, yeah, time frame. Yeah, right about here, we're on the 4 hour time frame. For us to be sure what this market is willing to do, for us to be sure what the market is willing to do. Sorry, guys, I think need to clear this one out from here. Okay, for us to be sure what the market is willing to do, um, I will put a, I will draw a zone here. I will draw a zone here, right about here. Okay. Uh, Sorry guys. I will draw a zone right about here. Uh, and I will also okay, but okay. There's no need of me drawing an upper zone right about there. There's already a zone there. There's no need of that. Let me delete this. So I will draw a zone right about here, and let's see what, because technically you see, okay, the market as well up here came down from here, and just like a double top, and it's also giving a resistance on this major zone that we're having from the weekly time frame, monthly time frame. So what we should be expecting for this week, I'll be looking for something like this. For the downside of things, I'm looking for something like this, a pullback. Then the market is going to give us kind of entry confirmation, right? About either just beneath this mini zone that is here, or just right about here, just give us a say entry with candles confirmation that will take it down to the south. First level target is going to be here, crossing the our structure, uh, following it down to the downside side, the downside direction. Sorry guys, I lost my voice. I lost my voice. We'll target this fall zone right about here before taking it down to this purple zone for the base of the double bottom that has formed. Then we'll analyze the market again and see what the market really has for us. So that is for the downward side of things. But for the upward side of things, if maybe eventually the market decided to act all the way around, we wait for the market to do something like this, give a pullback, then we'll take our entry right about here. We'll just look, maybe the market might just give us entry at the bounce of this purple bar, just give us entry right about here from the 4 hour. Then our first level target is going to be at the top of, if I'm opening two positions, I'm going to close on right about here, the 400% retracement level, then before targeting this upper zone. Then if the market decides to move further, then I will do another video in, maybe during the week, to just give us how to take advantage of the further move if the market decides to move further. So, but what we should be targeting first is going to be here. So this for the two ways direction for Euro USD, upside and downward direction, um, analysis prediction. So let's move over to other pairs. Well, okay, US30. Oh, nice, nice. Oh, guys, remember the first video I made? The first video I made, US30 is doing pretty nice. US30 is doing pretty nice. For the first video I made, let's just move over to the weekly time frame, or if not, okay, just to the daily time frame. Let's see what is really happening on US30. This for the daily time frame on US30. The market has clearly given us, it came up upper, then it came down, equal highs. Is the M pattern, and you know what this tells you for your the elementary trading chart patterns. When you see a double top like this, the market tends to give a reversal form, a reversal structure. So that is what is currently happening here. So this was the M pattern that was formed that made us to, give a prediction. That is for my first video. Go back and watch my first video for US30. That is about 2 Sundays ago, your US30. So that was how we were able to predict the market that is going to go to the downward side direction. I sorry about my voice. I lost my voice. Um, so that is for that. Move over to the 4 hour time frame. For the 4 hour time frame, for the 4 hour time frame, yeah, there are some mini zones right about here. So I picked my entry. I picked my entry right about here. It took us 4 to 5 days for this stuff. It blew past our TP region has blew past our TP region and it's coming down. So for us to take advantage, let's see what US30 is about to do. Let me clean this out. Let me clean this out. Clean this out. So US30 now, for US30, let's see what US30 is is about doing. US30. Okay. Now the markets, there are two ways to these things. There are two ways to these things. I'll give an upside and downward um, analysis. The first one, market is currently bearish. For the downward side of things, so expecting a pullback right about here, maybe the market might just come or just maybe give us an entry. We should say our entry right about here, we can take it down, or right about here, we can take it down. So we'll say our entry in this region, either here or here on the 4 hour, we can take it down. First level target is going to be here because of this leg that is here. This is going to be for our first level target, and our second level target somewhere right about, I do believe US30, if it can just break down below, give this pullback, I do believe it's coming all the way down to this region, down to this region, down to this region right about here, right about here. I do believe it's going to come right about here. But if that did not happen, if that did not happen, um, your other downside of things, the other downside of things, okay, let me draw a line coming here to draw a CTL coming here just to guide our bias towards the market. But if that did not happen, we might just decide to see US30 just drag to this zone and become a blow all the way up here, then come down. Then from here we can see something, and the market might just decide to just something like this, go up, come down from the structure right about here for the upside direction. But along the week, or how the markets decide to play out, we still drop a video. I will still drop a video. If the market decides to do something like this, I'll still drop a video on what to be expecting and how to position ourselves for the necessary move, so we can cash some pips and get some money, put some money in our pockets. So for that, I'll be it's a two-way side. So for the upside of things, I will be taking my buy. If the market should do something like, I will be taking my buy from here. I'll be taking my buy from here, or something like this. Oh, sorry guys, just something like this. I'll be taking my buy right about from this region right about here. I'll take my buy. I'll look for an entry right about here. I'll cash it all the way up to this direction. Well, if the market decides to break above, I'll just wait for the pullback right about here to be more, to be to be more rest assured that okay, this market is really to, the changing trend is really to go up to the upside direction. I'll just wait for the pullback right about here, and our first level target, we are going to target this level here. We'll target this supply region right about here. So that is for the upside direction uh, for US30. So that is for US30. So we'll have both the downside and the upside direction for US30. Let's let's move over to let's move over to um, let's go over to, okay, USD card. Currently now USD card. Okay, let's take our Euro USD. Okay, I've given an analysis on Euro USD already. Sorry guys, I've given analysis on Euro USD. Okay, let's go over to our USD JPY. Amazing for USD JPY. Let's move over to the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame. See what the market has been doing. The market has broken this region here, so wait for the pullback retest. But the market is going to react here because there's a sub level right here. We'll wait for the pullback right about here before we take it down. I do believe US30 is coming all the way down to this region. USDJPY rather. USDJPY 141.04 0.186, something like that. So I do believe USDJPY is majorly on a downtrend now. So what we are going to do, let's move over for us to position ourselves possible for the possible move downward. Let me take this one here. Okay. Uh, Now there are two things. There are two. Is a sell side. We're all looking at the sell side of things, but it's going to happen on the two-way front. It's going to happen on the two-way front. The first one, we should be expecting. I want USDT to really come down. Give a clear pullback. I'm not really comfortable with this indecision candle it has formed here on the 4 hour time frame. We will just give a clear pullback a little, then from here we can cash our entry down to the side first level target, then we take it all the way down to the level I showed you on the weekly time frame. So that is for that. That is for that on sorry guys. So that is for that. We can actually just use this place as a point of contact for our next level targets before taking the major zone here below. So if you're having maybe two positions or three positions, you should break even, and then if the market is willing to drop, you can decide to just add another position right over here. Sorry guys, right over here. You can decide to just add other positions right over here. Then you take down. So that's for the downward side of things. Okay, for the other way around, guys, we should be expect the market might just decide to blow all the way up here, to attack this level, or even maybe might just kind of give a fake. If the market did not give us a proper entry, our satisfactory entry, if the market did not give us yet, depending on how the descent is going to form out, that is when we are going to know, okay, for her to take the trade from here. But if that didn't happen, we'll look for the next target, which is here. If the market should give us a say entry right about there, we want to wait for the market to really commit down below. So right about here, that okay, that is willing to go. Then we can take our sell order. First level target is going to be this zone here, the 100% retracement level. Then we are going to drive it all the way to our level down sat. Consider this area as our first level of target. Then the purple zone I showed you below, and taking this one as our final target. So it's a long move. It's a long move, guys. There's a lot of pips to bank here on US30. So that is for the sell side direction, prediction of things for US30. So let's move over to, guys, need to be fast. I don't want this video to be too long. We move over to, okay, DXY. Okay, let's really look at what DXY is doing. This DXY is from the weekly. Let's move over to the daily time frame. DXY, it has broken this level, technically giving us this up, then double top, then came here, made a pullback to the neckline, then bloom all the way to the side. But we are not going to overlook this zone that is here. DXY might just decide to just blow all the way to the upside direction, all the way to the upside direction. So, but temporarily this is coming bullish, so it must. What we should be expecting, that's why it must come to form the second leg to this zone here before we might decide to say we want to blow above this our CTL line that is here. Then level target is going to be here before anything to the upside. So for this little move, we move over to the 4 hour time frame. Now it has seen here for DXY. I think DXY is really looking. That's why I just decide want to go there, reach the first level target. We If you are trading DXY, you can just take a sell. Depend. Just wait for this. Just look. Market might just decide to come up from something like this right about here. If the market should form a bearish candle right about here on the 4 hour time frame, if I decide to take your sell all the way, take this area as your first level target, then this area as a second level target for DXY. That is for DXY. For the sell side, because before the market is going to go up, the market might just okay when it has tapped this purple bar here, might just do something like this. So from some consolidation. Sorry, I don't know why my tool is acting up. Form some consolidation before blowing across our CTL, then wait for the retest on a possible level of value before we then position for a buy side of things. First level target is going to be here, this level here, before this one, then for the upside. So that is for that for DXY. That is for that for DXY. That's for that of DXY. So we are looking at let me we are looking at um two sides now, but one must first of all play at first before considering the other. So that is for DXY. That is for DXY. Let's move over to other pairs. Let's move over to other pairs. GBPUSD. GBPUSD. Super nice. Super nice. It's super nice. For GBPUSD, what you should be expecting. Um, if you move over to the weekly time frame, you see the market broke below this level, came retest, came down. There's a mini zone right about here inside put this black line. Got fire down to this side. The market is currently going up, coming to test this our level again. So the market must come and test somewhere right about here for if it's willing to go south before it will be going down. So for this move, I want to catch this little move. And we move over to let's move over to okay, let's go gradually from the daily time frame. This the last Friday market close really bearish right about here. Close really bad, but we should not overlook this momentum that is coming, or like this bullish trend that has been coming all the way from the weeks below, has been coming all the way from down, like this retracement that's coming. We should not just overlook it. For the market to reverse fully, it's going to touch this our purple bar here, or kind of give us a pattern that is really that shows us that the market is really to go below before we consider GBPUSD coming down, or consider GBPUSD coming down. uh okay, so what we should be expecting for GBPUSD now. GBPUSD, you saw I draw this mini line just to checkmate it. Okay, if we are still on the upside trend, the mini trend, so we know when we are out of the trend and going to position in for a sell after all. So for GBPUSD now, I want to look for markets need to give me an in if it should give me an entry 5 hour bullish candle right about here. Our first level target is going to be here. This is going to be our first level targets. This is going to be our first level targets. Just few pips. I will lock in. I'll start locking in profit right. If I'm having two positions, I'll close one right about here. I close one right about here. I close one right about here. Then second level target is going to be here. I will break when the market get to this level. That is if the market should give us a buy entry right about here. I will close one right about here. Then the second one is going to be here. That is for the upside direction. But however, if that did not happen, okay, let me just use something like this. I just want to put our indication marks so that next week when we come, we'll see how the market. But however, if that did not happen, the market might just decide to give us a breakdown to this side. But no worries about that. What we are going to do, we should just look for the pullback right about here. The market might just decide to give us a pullback right about here to this. Just give us some fake outs, or probably if it should give us an entry right about here for a sell, we can take it. But I do believe the market might just want to give us a fake out right about here. before selling all the way. First level target is going to be 100% pullback. The pullback might not be as little or big as this, but mind you, this should, your 100% retracement should be your first level target. But the market might just decide to hit here and want to reverse back. So this should be your 100% target. For if you're having two entries, you close one right about here, the second one you allow it to run here. Then before we can just decide to say, okay, wait for the market to break. If the market is really willing to go to the downside direction of things, we can just come and look for another entry before we sell to the south. That is for that. So for now, we are looking at these two areas, here for the upside and here for the downside. So that is for that. That is for that. Let me cancel this one out. Let's just put our indicator line here. Uh, Sorry guys, I don't know why my tree is acting up. Oh, okay, okay. For this, we fake out before coming down. So that's for the two-way direction prediction for GBP USD. So it's for an upward and downward move prediction. So let's move over to other. Okay, guys, let's just toss USD card. Let's see what USD card is doing. Let's see what USD card is doing. Move over to the weekly. Trying to approach our usual zone here. Okay, it's not really giving us so sorry daily. Okay, found something like double bottom right over here. It's confirming up. I'm not really too satisfied with USD card. I'm not really satisfied with USD card. I'm not really satisfied with USD card. For USD card, I will sit on my hands. I do believe the market is still coming down here, so I will sit on my hands. For USD card, I have no trade for USD card for now until the market has given us a clear view. I will maybe call during the week if I should see like if the market should give us a clear view like which direction is really to go. So I do believe the market might just decide to to rally all the way up here and maybe set down or might just decide to just fire all the way to the upside direction. But that's for that for GBP for USD card, sorry. Guys, I keep missing my lines. I don't know what's happening. I keep missing my lines. Please just bear with me. Just bear with me. I keep missing my lines. So yes, let's do crypto one more time. Crypto one more time. Crypto from the daily time frame. BTC has been tanking, guys. For our crypto brothers, they are in a lot of panic now. But let's see what BTC has for us. This leg, BTC fire all the way, following structure, first leg, second leg down, see, double top. So the market has come down, attacking the zone, it's firing down right here. So the market will come and give a lower low right about here. This is pretty much in a range, but the market might just decide to give a lower right about here, give the pullback, then we take it all the way to the base here. Take it all the way to the base here. So this is what we are expecting for you God for BTC, for our crypto for BTC. So that is what we're expecting for BTC. Let me just cancel it. If we want to do our trade, we move over to the 4 hour time frame. I decide to draw. I just draw a level right over here. Okay, you just decide to draw a level right over here. Just draw the level, and I wait for BTC to just do something like this. Just pull down, give a pull before we cash it down to the south. Before we cash it down here. Those level targets may need to be our zone here before we cash it down to the south. So that's for BTC. But for the buy side of things, if this BTC might just okay, I want to change my mind, I want to change my mind, I want to change my mind. If this BTC decide to go bullish, I'll just draw my CTL from here to here. I'll draw it right about here. BTC decide to go bullish. Along the week, we're going to see some some patterns, like some structures forming, like maybe a change of structure forming, and then you can position in for a buy side. I'll be more comfortable if BTC has broken from this region right about here, something like this. Then if a pullback, or cash it all the way to the first level target is going to be here, second level target is going to be 105,496. So that's for the buy side of things for BTC. BTC. Guys, we're improving. We touched crypto today. So that is for that for BTC. USDCHF. Also looking at the sell side of things for USDCHF. Technically, this is a double top. If you look it from the weekly time frame, this is a double top that has found market came all the way here, reverse up here, has pulled back the the neckline, and then it's about dropping down to the south. So first level target is going to be a region right about here. I will mark them out in a lower time frame, maybe 4 hour or daily time frame. Second level target is going to be the base of the purple region right about here, 0.88223. So let's see how we can position ourselves to take advantage of this move. Um, let's move over to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, guys. I saw this move. I saw this move, but this sell side move. I actually saw it, but I took a loss here. I entered too early, and I didn't really give much breathing space for our stop loss for the market to breathe properly. It was too early. I should have entered at about here. But that aside, let's prepare for this week, or what we should be expecting for this week. What we're expecting for USDC share is I'll be expecting something like this, and a pullback right about here before we sell. So we're looking for sell for USDC especially is sell all the way around for USDC So our next level target is going to be right about here from 0.89089. These are next level targets. That's for the first level target right about here. Then the market might just sorry guys, the market might just blow all the way to the downside of things. So this for our first level target. Let me put our line here as our first level target. Then market might just blow all the way to this side. So that is for that for okay, okay, yeah. Another thing again, another pullback again you should be expecting. I'm also seeing some form of structure here. The market might just decide to blow all the way up here to this level, just attacking our base up, probably giving us a free cut right about here. Then before we can sell, first level target then is going to be our 100% retracement level here on our left. Then for taking it down to the south, here is going to be for the second, and the third will be our base below right about there. So that is what we should be expecting for USDCHF. Ah, I don't know what's happening today. I'm just feeling weak. Don't know. So that is for that for USDCHF. That is for that for USDCHF. So let's look for other pair. Okay, okay. Let's go over to AUDUSD. 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 AUDUSD currently is looking. I'll draw this properly. AUDUSD is kind of looking sketchy. Oh, I don't know. Let's see what will happen. Let me draw a zone here and see what's up for EURUSD. So for EURUSD, I think about changing trend to the sell side direction. I think we're about changing trend to the sell side direction because considering it from the higher time frame, the market is about pulling up to this region right about here. The market is about pulling up to this region right about here. Maybe before we then sell. Because technically, when the market came down, based on the weekly time frame now, you see the double bottom that forms came up from the double leg, the same equal base before rallying up, and market might just want to pull back to form the neckline level that is here. So let's move back to the daily network. So the market might just decide when to give us a clean so let's point this zone here, delete this. The market might just want to give us something like something proper like this before going upside. To position for this move, there are some move that are about to play out right about here. For us to position for this move, we go back to the 4 hour time frame. So taking this zone as the neckline for the double bottom that has formed on the weekly time frame came up uh, yeah, this should be like okay, it has attacked our neckline then fired up, or currently now it has broken this hit here that is coming all the way top. Okay, the uptrend, the higher high, higher low, higher high. The market needs to form maybe a higher low just in a smooth restructure before coming up, but it seems to be coming down to this side, breaking our CTL. So what we should be expecting for AUDUSD, we should be expecting something like I might just decide to fire like this, maybe down. If we should see the market pull back to this region, if I see a sell confirmation right about here, if I see a sell confirmation, ADS is looking tricky. It's looking tricky. It's really looking tricky. It's really looking tricky. Okay, for the sell side of things, for me to be comfortable, I want the market to break down below, maybe break a retest right about here or here before we sell to the south. So that is what I should be expecting for ADS before we sell. First level target is going to be this region here before we. But if that did not happen, ADUS is looking tricky. It's looking really, really tricky right about now. It's looking tricky. It's looking tricky. If that did not happen, what are we expecting for ADUSD? Okay, for the upside of things, I I will want to wait for the market to just maybe blow all the way up here, make a retest, then I'll cash it right about here. First level target. Guys, the retracement is not going to be as big as this. I don't know why I keep drawing my retracement big. Maybe something small like this. I'll just wait for depending on the pullback. The 100, but mind being it should be in your mind that your first level target should be at 100% retracement level before you take this should be your first TP, then this should be your final TP. The next level should be your final TP. So that is a two-way prediction of uh, let me see if I can take this bad boy close all the way down here, something like this. So that for ADUSD. That's for ADUSD. Um, Actually, this trade is looking. I might not really trade it, but let me see how the market is going to form. Guys, it's not about trading much. Just we take quality over quantity, but um, ADS is kind of looking somehow suspicious. Right, the market might here decide to blow down and just blow down, attack this neckline here, this zone that is here. Then might just want to come up. Yeah, maybe attacking the base of this trend line. Then for a sell, you can sell all the way down this level as a first level target and might just break below or do something else. So that's ADS is looking tricky. ADS is looking tricky. It's really, really looking tricky. So I will leave those our indicator for AUDUSD. Let's see. But depending on how the market play out, that is when I'm going to trade it. Because this will take quality over quantity. It's not about you trading much of the pair. So let's move over to GBPJPY. GBPJPY. The pound yuan. The pound yuan. So for the pound Japanese yen, uh, it's currently looking bearish on the daily time frame. It's currently looking bearish. If you check. It's currently looking bearish. It's currently looking bearish. It's currently looking bearish. Okay, let me draw a zone here. Currently looking bearish. It's currently looking bearish. Okay, it's currently looking bearish. Oh, 4 hour, 4 hour. Surely missed this move. I missed this move downside. I surely saw this move. I missed it. I didn't know there was a supply region right about here on the 1 hour time frame. I should have taken it here. I missed this move. I was thinking the market is going to really come and form proper gains before selling. I missed this move right about here. So that's for that. What should we be expecting now for GBPJPY? For GBPJPY, what should we be expecting for GBPJPY? I want to look, let's see if we can have something more like um, something more than a pullback. Just right about here, and or here. Just give us, it might just give us a fake out. Market might just come here and give us a say entry right about here. Maybe it's entry right about here, or maybe just give us a fake out to this region. When we see our sell confirmation, we are going to take it. First level target is going to be 100% retracement, depending on the retracement level, before we take it down to the this level right about here. So GBPJPY and USDJPY, they are almost having the same movement. USDJPY is actually bearish. The analysis we did is bearish. So for GBPJPY, it's also going to be bearish. I think the Japanese, the Euro, the JPY, the JPY best seems to be coming. Should I say it's becoming stronger? Let's say it's weaker. It's going to first level target is going to be here, here, here. So first level target is going to be here, second level target is going to be at this base here. So that is for that for GBP JPY. It's going to be a long ride. 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 So we should just prepare for that. It's going to be a long ride. It's going to be a long ride. But however, guys, we should bear it in mind that if this market did not give us our entry here, proper entry here, maybe it fire all the way up. If it didn't give us, if we can't pick our entry right about here too, maybe we should just wait. But along the week, I will come out and do some analysis again, depending on how the market unfolds. So that's for that for GBPJPY. We're still expecting a sell. We are still expecting a sell. We're still expecting a sell. If the market decide to change trend along the week, I will still come and give us analysis on what we should be expecting for GBPJPY. So that's what I for GBPJPY. Which else? Which else? Which else? Let's take gold. We're not taking gold. We should take gold and GBPUSD. Okay, for gold, I even drew my indication, and let me just delete it and let me just go over it again. So for gold, gold has been bullish all the way. Gold has been bullish all the way. So first, okay, let me mark this zone. Let me mark this zone here. Let me mark it out here. Okay. Uh, that is our high. That's our high here. Mark it out. What we should be expecting, I'm seeing some form of left shoulder here, right shoulder. Okay, okay, let's see something if we can. Let's see if we can do something right over here. Good. Let's see what good is doing. Let's see what good is doing. Let's see what good is doing. Um, oh, I'm going to give a two-way direction on gold, the upside direction and the bearish direction, downside direction on gold. So for the upside direction of gold, I want to wait for gold to just break above. I'll probably give a retest right about here. We'll catch it on a much lower time frame. Gold is very volatile, guys. Maybe you can catch it on a 30 minutes or 15 minutes. You can catch it on a much lower time frame. Then before we take it all the way, first level target is going to be here. Then you can take 1:2, 1:2, then trade your stop loss, trade your stop loss up to the upside direction. So that is for that for the for gold. That's for that for good. That's for that for good. For the upside direction. Why for the downside direction? This becomes sensitive. Because if I'm to be okay, if I'm to be okay, I'm just something here. Uh, yeah, there's a reason for that. Let me explain. There's a reason for that. If I'm to be more careful and more conservative about this trade, for the downside of things, gold might just decide the way to fire all the way here and give us a sell from here down, sell from here down, sell from here down. So, but I'm not going to take my trade right about here because here is this place is somewhat tricky. If this wrap, I'm not going to take my sell right about. I will wait for the market to pull, then fire right about here. Give a sell, give a market should give me a sell entry right about here. Give me a sell entry right about here before I will take the sell down. I'm going to catch this base right about here, 2925.16 per ounce for gold. That is going to be my first level target for the sell. If I'm to take it, then the second level target, if I'm having to position close, first position we break even right about here. First position is going to close at the base right about here. Then I will also consider this part. But the gold should come all the way down to this side, which we're expecting maybe something like this, and maybe downward push. So downward push. So our final target for gold, if gold might just decide to go bearish for this week, final target for gold is 2882.00 per ounce for gold. So that is for the sell side direction of things. So either of the two, let's just keep watching out for gold. Mind you, for the sell, I'm not going to take myself from here. I'm not going to take myself from here. I will wait the market fall down, give a pullback right about here, probably attack the base of this trend line right about here before I'm going to set down. I'll look for my entry right about here. The market should give us entry. But for the upside direction is for the upside pullback then the up. So that is for our last pair for the GBP. I think is GBP I think it's GBP GB. Okay, I think I've analyzed for GBPUSD. So that is for that, guys. That is for that. Thank you for staying to the end of our today's market analysis, or you can call it focus. So, guys, please, pleading with you guys once again to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That is the only way you can encourage me to be dropping more contents, to be coming and be dropping more content so you can benefit from us, and you can also be earning while learning in the process. So guys, please subscribe, then hit the notification bell icon so when next you'll be updated when next I drop another post, so that you can position yourself, be in a strategic position to position yourself against the market to catch the necessary moves that are about to play out. Not maybe you seeing the video when it's already too late and you've not yet made up your mind, you've not yet planned ahead for the trade. So that is for, guys, please subscribe, hit the notification bell and also like and share. when you like, it helps to boost it help YouTube to recommend this video to others who also like this sort of content like this, who also want to learn how to trade and also benefit from the market, guys. So thank you all for staying to the end of today's Forex weekly analysis for the week. Thank you all. Stay blessed. Stay good. God bless you all. Bye.